Sisesiqongolweni somakhiwo yenhlangano yezohathi SABC eJohannesburg siza kuwe kunqopha.
There was lots of signs, but she never told me because she didn't want me to get involved. We always had to hear in the street what happened to her.
Ipolisa lidumuze intombalo layibulala laphendulela isigidi ngakilo. Sizwe bona kumbula kuyembeswa ngalo.
In 2014, the department took a decision on its own to stop using the names of matriculants in the newspapers when releasing results.
Abafundi baka-matric umnyaka lo kungenzeka bangayifumani emaphephandabeni imiphumela yabo yokuphela komnyaka.
Inkinga esibanayo ukuthi kune-stock theft esiningi sitshele inkomo, imbuzi, lezinye izinto emaplasini and ihelebho sikere yawo libombuso liba lifitshane khulu.
Uthuwelela ngamandla umukhwa wokwetshiwa kwefuyo everina kwaNdebele eMpumalanga. Igitigidi yomvumo kaMakhathi yone itatawule imidlalo ye-Betway Premiership ebeqalwe bona idlalwe letatawini elitsha lePeter Mokaba. Kwaba kuhle kuhlanganiswa izindaba kodwa ku-SABC 1 ngesindebele noChani Makhaya. Amapolisa aphenya icala lepolisa le-Eldorado Park leminyaka ema-42 ubudala ekuthiwa batsho libulele intombalo liyokuvela ekhotho ngomvulo.
Umndeni womntazana odunyuziweko uhlezi emanzini. Uyise likangazimba uthi amathwayo wona bekakhona wokuthi umntwana wabo akakahlalisani kamnandi nepolisi bekazona nalo elimi. Kodwa umntazana lo batsho bekungasi umuntu okhulumako. Umndeni ufuna ukulungiswa.
There was lots of signs, but she never told me because she didn't want me to get involved. And that's the sad part about it. We always had to hear in the street what happened to her.
Umphakathi uthi zandile izehlakalo zokudunyuzwa kwabantu endaweni le kanti ufuna abasolwa bathathele amagadanga aqinileko.
There's lots of shooting in Eldorado Park all over in the colored areas. We like for it to stop. Understand? We don't just want people to just talk. We want action.
Ungqongqotjhe wezemidlalo obukhwari namasiko uGayton Mackenzie uthi fanele iqiniso umthetho lokho nakunikelwa amapolisi ingidi ngombana kusetshenziswa zona ukwenza ubulelesi.
We need to track police issued guns because the majority of people they get killed in this country by police issued firearms. And for the minister to put the emphasis on that, to say we need to track what happened when a policeman says, and he told me that, and I was like, that's the way to start.
Thiwabatsho umsolwa uzidumuzile naye njenganje usesibhedlela kanti amapolisa ambekile ihlo libukhali.
Kubotsho umuntu omduna oneminyaka ema-29 ubudala ngecala lokukata ngemva kokuthi umntazinyana weminyaka eli-13 ubudala abelethe umntwana ngelanga likaKrismusi esibhedlela elisishego eLimpopo. Kuthiwa umuntu lo nguyise lomntwana kanti umntazinyana lo ungomunye wamaxawana ama-30 abelethe ngoKrismusi esibhedlela eseLimpopo.
Ukuzithwala kwabantazinyana abangaphasi kweminyaka yobudala kuyindaba ikhulunywako kodwa eSouth Africa apha ngemva kokuthi abanye babo babelethe ngoKrismusi. Ngokutsho kwerhubhululo lango-2024 elenziwe ihlangano yentshabe ezibumbeneko, iSouth Africa inesibalo esiphezulu sabantazana abazithwala abasesengaphasi kweminyaka yobudala. Ungqongqotjhe wendaba zabatsha nabantu abaphila nokukhubazeka uSindisiwe Chukunda uthi abantwana abama-500 ababelethe ema-aweni ali-12 wokuthoma elangeni langoKrismusi abama-90 babo babelethwe bantazana abangaphasi kweminyaka yobudala.
This is something that we should be ashamed of as a country because that is nothing but statutory rape. The numbers are actually telling us that we have got a lot of statutory rape in South Africa that is happening, up to about 2,325, 28 for instance, of children who fall pregnant between the ages of 10 to 14. That is rape and nothing else. And these men who impregnate these children are supposed to be in jail.
Undunakulu weLimpopo uPhophi Ramuthuba ubuke umsebenzi omuhle owenziwe emapolisa ngokuphendula msinyane esehlakalweni sokukata komntazinyana lo. Uthi ukukatwa kwabantazinyana abangaphasi kweminyaka yobudala kukuphula amalungelo wabo.
We are not taking strong actions against perpetrators. We continue to report statistics and we continue to be raising alarm and be shocked. But without us, I mean, if you remember last year, one said at that time I was still in health to say until such time we get one of these older men who prey on our children getting arrested and successfully being convicted, we are not going to win on this matter.
Nakusenjalo umsola usavalelwe emaseleni kanti kulindele ukuthi avele ekhotho msinyazana.
Abafundi baka matric banomnyaka bangabanga bokuthoma ukungafumana imphumela yabo emaphephandabeni. Lokho njengomana iziko elilawula ilwazi lifake isibawo esihabako sokukhandela ukukhutshwa kwemphumela ka matric emaphephandabeni. Kanti isibawo esikulindeleke ukuthi silalele amalanga nakalikhomba kuTjhirhweni ngaphambi kwamalanga nabona kukhutshwe imphumela ka matric.
Ngenyanga epheleleke iziko elilawula ilwazi lanikela umnyango wezefundo sisekelo isazo sesithi ukukhushwa kwemphumela ngelindlela kuphula umthetho ukuvikela kwelazi lomuntu iPOPIA Act. Umnyango ujijile isazi sisi ngelithi indlela ekukhutshwa ngayo imphumela emaphephandabeni khathesi ayiphula amalungelo abafundi njengombana kungaveza imininingwane yaziwako imfundi njengegama nesibongo. Umkhulumeli womnyango Elijah Mhlanga uthi balandela isahlulelo sekhotho sango 2022 esathi imphumela kufanele ivezwe shashalazi. Umhlanga uthi ngo-2014 umnyango wathatha isiqundo sokungasasebenzisa igama nesibongo somfundi emaphepheni.
A judge from the Pretoria High Court made a ruling that the department must release the results in the current form, which means using exam numbers. Let me maybe go back. In 2014, the department took a decision on its own to stop using the names of matriculants in the newspapers when releasing results.
Usihlalo weziko elilawula ilwazi uPhenzi Hlagula uthi umnyango wezefundo sisekelo ubhalule kuphendula ngesikhathi isaziso sokungasavezi imphumela ka matric begodu banikelwa isaziso sesithi baphula umthetho. Iziko lelwazi phambilini laveza isaziso esikatelelako emnyangweni bona ingavezi emaphepheni imphumela ka matric yanomnyaka njengombana bekwenziwe eminyakeni edlulileko ithi lokho kuphula amalungelo ngokomthetho iPOPIA Act.
Examination numbers are sequential and the learners sit in that order sequentially in the examination room and the results are published in that order, which means that if you are number 1 and you are sitting in front, I'm number 2, I'm sitting behind you, I can be able to see your results on the newspaper because I will know that your examination number is 1 and mine is 2. So that's not complete anonymization.
Uhlakula uthi ababelethi ngibe kufuze bakhove imvume yokuveza imphumela emaphephandabeni.
Amatraka layitsha umthwalo sekavulelwe esangweni lomkhawulo welibombo eMpumalanga. Kanti ibandla elilawula umkhawulo belijamise amatraka bona angangeni eMozambique. Lokho njengomana abachagali bebachisa yonke into eMozambique. Umbango wasuswa imiphumela yamakhetho wakhona.
Malanga amatraka emthwalo agampe esangweni lomkhawulo welibombo. Namhlanje angena aphekelelwa zimphathiso zakhona eMozambique. Aphekelelwa isikhumulweni senkepe.
Partially, they've opened for the cargo to move. We are processing them, I think, in the batch of 15. We take it 15 to kilometer 4. After kilometer 4, they have escorted them to the port or on that side of Mozambique. And we started in the morning.
Ibandla lilawula imkhawulo lithi usakhamba kuhle umsebenzi wokungenisa umthwalo eMozambique ngaphandle kokuphazamiseka. Kusesenjalo, kutholakala isidumbu silele esiporweni esihlanu komkhawulo.
We suspect that he's from Mozambique. He was killed and been thrown to a no man's land, where we found the dead body is no man's land. So, but our detectives are currently taking care of the situation.
Ngenkolo ezincane bezingene eMozambique, amajoni namapolisa aragela phambili nokubeka ilihlo libukhali.
Umholi wehlangano ephikisa kweMozambique uVanisio Mondlane ukhombele abantu bona balise ukutapa nokona ipahla. Lokho kulandela ukonakalelwa ipahla kwamabhizinisi ngemva kobana abachagali batape bebona ipahla yamabhizinisi.
Umholi wehlangano ephikisa kweMozambique ose-Europe njenganje uba abachagali bona abangoni ipahla yamabhizinisi ngemva kobana amabhizinisi alile ngomchakalo nomguruguru.
He says Do not allow them to manipulate your minds. They want to manipulate your minds so that you believe that our fight is against the private property. The private sector is our ally. We are not against the private sector.
Nakusesenjalo unobhala wenitshaba ezibumbeneko uAntonio Guterres naye ukhombele bona akhe kube nokuthula eMozambique. uStephanie Tremblay ukhulumela uGuterres uthi uGuterres wenza ilandelela ngendaba leni.
The Secretary General takes note of the announcement of the Constitutional Council of Mozambique regarding the outcome of the general elections held on 9 October 2024. He continues to follow developments closely. The Secretary General is concerned about the post-election violence which has resulted in loss of lives and the destruction of public and private property.
uGuterres ukhombela bonke abaholi benhlangano zepolitiki nabanye ababelani bona babhula umlilo kukhulunyiswane ukuthola isisombululo somraro soMozambique lo.
Nasibuya entolo. Abetha ngenyawo elihlukileyo kwamaqhakazana wanamhlanje kanti ngahlanye nentanga engabinjwa kwamahasa avutha amalangabi akathathi abuya nakusawo. Zindaba zesiNdebele kweSABC1 siyakwamukela nosanda ukufika. Ziyatholakala ku-YouTube, SABC Plus nakezinye inkundla zokuthintana. Uthuwelela ngamandla umukhwa wokwetshiwa kwefuyo eVerina kwaNdebele eMpumalanga. Semaningi amacala avuliweko emapholiseni. Kanti abafuyi bendawo bakhulula izinhloko bathi amapholisa akabasizi ngalitho. Nanyana batsho sebawavule abamaningi amacala wokwetshiwa ifuyo, batsho amapholisa eqisa amehlo indaba yokwetshiwa ifuyo. Umbikindaba wethu uNonhlanhla Ntshingila banomabhande emthombini basihlanganisele naku umbiko.
Umlandelande wezenzo zokwetshiwa kwefuyo endaweni ezinjengeVerina sewuphenduke isiqhelo. Abafuyi basilingeke baqeda ichukela ngezenzo ezifana nalezi. Kukunje sebasungule neforum. Bathubulele sofana nalobo nangaphandle kokuthi bobadla kakhulu ngesikhwameni. Kodwa nabo baphula nemimoya yethemba.
eVerina sine problem ye stop theft. And sekuyiminyaka ithomile lento le. Kuthi ukuthi wonke umuntu uyalila ngoba silila sililo sinye njengobona sihlangene la sigcine sizokuhlangana ukuthi sibone ukuthi yini esingakwenza ukuthi sizama ukuthi siyivimbe lento le ingasachubeki.
Umthetho ikakhulu amapholisa awaberegisane nathi abafuyi ukuze sikhone ukufuya ngendlela okungiyo ngoba into esiphethe kabuhlungu ukuthi ke sifuya ifuyo bese amasela ayafika ngobusuku obubodwa nje bese baqubula isibaya. So ke ngikho lokho esikufuna ukuthi amapholisa awabambisane nathi.
Amalunga omphakathi nabadosi phambili bamabhizinisi namalunga omphakathi bazokusekela abafuyi. Baphekelela incwadi yenililo zabo epolice station yeVerina. Balila ngokuthi amapholisa akasikime kanje.
2006 ekhaya kwaMasango walahleka inkomo zonke. I16 yakhambela futhi. Sawubiza amapholisa sakhamba lapho inkomo zilahlekele khona. Amapholisa abhala umngena emhobeni la inkomo ziphele khona. Abhala athi ayasaba. Namapholisa nasabako thina sofale senzini.
NgoMarch ngathathelwa inkomo ngabo 2 ebusuku. Ngazama mara after ukuthi lo sebenzayo agijima azongitshela ngayenza ilandelela ngazithola la ngizithole khona. Ngambona umuntu oziragako. Sina sithi siyambamba. Sisinamaphoyisa sikhathi leso. Amaphoyisa la eVerina alandula. Bathi no. Miyekeleni anina proof ngoba inkomo nanzi yale yena akasekho kizo.
Nanyana kunjalo amapholisa weMpumalanga athi sekunezisetshenziswa eziyokulekelela ukulwa nomukhwa wokwetshiwa kwefuyo. Athi asebenzisana nephiko elifihlekileko eliphenya lomhlobo wobulelesi.
Sinawo amaphoyisa la sebenda digameko noma emacala lahambisana nokutshontshwa kwemfuyo. Singasho ukuthi ke mhlambe ke akukaneli kepha ke siyathemba ukuthi ke uma kuba nalokubambisana emkhatsini kwamaphoyisa kanye nemphakathi lokho kungayenza ukuthi ke lenzaba yokutshontshwa kwemfuyo iyehle.
Abosomaplasa bacabanga ukuthi okhunye ngabasebenzela njengenkomo lezi ezikhona lapha ukuthi bafaka ama-tracker enkomeni azokutshengisa ikomo ukuthi indawo naphi nakusebusuku ibonakala ukuthi ikuphi. Ngingumabhande Thombeni wendabeni ze-SABC eVerina eMpumalanga.
Kazi ukuchukuluka kwenkathi ukuze netechnology kukhambe kwabe kwayokufika nevunulweni yesino khulukhulu esichabeni samandebele. Sikhuluma ngevunulo embathwa bomma nabaya emnyanyeni yesino ngitsho nengoma zakhona ziyakhuluma ubuningi bazo. Akhe siqale nakumbiko esuhlanganiselwe nguNontokozo Sikhosana bano Comfort Masombuka.
Ekadeni aboma nabayimnyanyeni bebatatela nabangatateliwe bese bazimbathela imfoskoti zabo ezingafaniko namatekisa nabo zachuguluka izinto namhlanje sekwaba nje. Kusebenza amatimo kutsho ukuthi iqobe emnyanya bomma basikisa ichila nangabe uyahlayelelwa ayikhwenye sekuthwile emnyanyeni. Akupheleli lapho kwanamhlanje amaqhakazana athoma nge-makeup adosa ichiya afake ngitsho nenkopho kuthi nanginjalo aphose ngamazaza kanobutsho ametsha nevunulo nabangena emnyanyeni bangena kuzwakale bafanele nangakugida. Umbuzo uthi ingakhani lokho kutsho ukuthi isiko seliyachuguluka.
Mina angisiboni isindebele sisimotsha kunokuthi sisimotshe siyasiphakamisa ayikho into esiyimotshayo ngoba ingubo enye nenye siyimbetheko i-cheesecake kamari ngenza umncamo ohlaza njengoba ngenzele mara u-cheesecake umncamo ngwamandebele.
Bathini bona nababuzwako?
Nasimbethe nje vane simbethe isiko lesikhethu lamandebele nanoma lihlangane nefashini kancane. Hlonipho enkulu isengubeni njengoba ngingumma ngimbethe ingubo nje ngichaza khona ukuthi ngihloniphile.
Kanti nengoma zakhona zamalanga la seziyakhuluma zikhuluma ngento yanje. NginguNontokozo Sikhosana wendaba ze-SABC ngikubekela ngise-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Nehlangothini labo baba ngisweso fike njengamawururi intanga yamahasa ipokoma intanga engavinjwako ngokuletha abomalukazana ekhaya. Le ntanga ibonakala ngokufanelwa nayiphekelelana ebukhweni. Ngiyo kanye le ntanga ekuthiwa intanga engavinjwako efike yajugulula izinto ekuthomini. Umkhwenyana nasele uqedelele ebukhweni nasele kwenziwa nomnyanya wabo wokuthatha bese simbathela ijasi ngokujayelekileko nje nabaphekeleli bakhe kodwa namahasa ayijugulule yonke into enjalo. Bazibethi isifuba nabo baziza ukuthi bafanelwa. Le ntanga yamahasa nokugida kazi yakhona ungafunga bona bakhethana ngokuba magagu nokwazi ukugida. Amasiko esindebele nawo bawagadanga kangako ngamaphimbo abo agiriza amawa wendaba nanande babethi inyawo sakuthemba.
Baba qina endabeni ze-SABC nginguComfort Masombuka ngikubikela ngise-Auckland Park
eJohannesburg.
Kanikeza imidlalo emibili yeBetway Premiership ebeqale bona idlalelwe etatawini elitsha lePeter Mokaba seliyokudlalelwa etatawini lakade lePeter Mokaba. Itatawu elitsha lona ke leminyanyeni kaMakhadzi ubanjwe ngempela veke epheleleko kanti itatawu leli belingakavalwa kuhle okwenze bona ingcenye yetatawu yonakale.
Umonakalo wenzeke etatawini elitsha lePeter Mokaba unomthelelo omkhulu. Inkhulu zetatawu zimatasatasa zihlolisa umonakalo kunye nokulungisa kwetatawili msinyana. Umnyanya umvumi uhle lemvumi uMakhadzi ngeveke epheleleko ngomgqibelo usola bona ngiwo odala umonakalo omkhulu etshanini betatawili ibholo ayisadlaleki kibo. Umeyaro wePolokwane uJohn Mpey uthi abaphathi betatawu basahlolisisa umonakalo. Isiqhema sesikhukhune bekufanele sibambane neSemarumo Gallants etatawini elikusasa uthi ngosonto iMagesi sibambane neOrlando Pirates. Yombili imidlalo le ichidiselwe etatawini lakade lePeter Mokaba. Umpey uthi abaphathi betatawu kunye nabahleli bomnyanya lo bazokuthwesa umlando ngobudlapho obubekhona.
Lebele seaba la coveriwa go ya ka mogore be re beakantšhitše ka wona e fela re nagana gore seo se ra gore ba le gore nke bona ba re tshwaretšeng lepatlelo le leng bašomi ba rena ba tla swanela ke gore ba kgone gore ba re fe report.
Umpey uthi kuzokuhlogeka isigidi samaranda ukulungisa itataweli. Uthi kufanele kususwe bokhutshane kutshwala obutsha kanti bona itataweli lisebenze godi kuzokuthatha inyanga yonke. Isiqhema sesikhukhune ebekufanele sibambane neMarumo Gallants etatawini eli samukele igadango lokufudusela umdlalo lo usiwe etatawini lakade lePeter Mokaba. Isiqhema sithi siyalithanda itatawu lakade lePeter Mokaba.
Ra ba tlhotlheletsa gore ba tsamaye ka bontšhi ba bona le malapa a bona ka ge ile gore re mo di-Christmaseng ba tle ka bontšhi ba tlo thekga setlhopha sa rena go tloga mo ke go ka ko Old Peter Mokaba it's a 2 minutes walk so a ke bone balatedi ba rena ba tla ba le bothata.
Itatawu lakade lePeter Mokaba alihlalisa abalandeli abaningi njengelitsha okuzokuthinta iqhema ezinabalandeli. Abalandeli kuzokufanele balinde bona lilunganini itataweli.